I just gave you guys some hint, right? And then I told you guys to just do this question. So did you guys try the fifth one? Yeah, this fifth one, and then we had. Let me add that assignment. Okay, so why is it slow? Okay, what is happening with this? Now it's stuck. Yeah, so we were. Let's see when the other people join and then. How many questions do we have? We have only 10 questions. So I guess we would be able to complete this chapter soon. And let me try to add again that. First, yeah, trying.
1 second.
Now let me. So, right. Thank you. Where are the other guys? It's already we're already 9 minutes late, and Tala and Sharma. And, and what was the question that I gave? I guess from these assignment I gave some, right? Okay, so let us start, and in the meanwhile the other, right? Because it's already we're already 10 minutes late, and we should start. Okay, guys. And let me quickly. So yeah, we were on this question, right? So you guys quickly tell me what is AB. Okay, you guys calculate and tell me what is AB, what is BC, what is CD, what is AD. So Chameli and what Champa, they came in the class and they saw that these people are sitting like this. So Chameli is saying that it is making a square, and Champa is saying that it is not. And we have to prove that whether it is a square or not, right? So to prove the square, we have to prove that the sides are equal. So this was the question, and we have to find what is AB, BC, CD, and AD. So you guys tell me what is AB? Yes, Amar, what is AB?
AB,
Yeah, we have to.
327.
Yeah,
Wait.
so the distance formula, we are trying to find out the distance AB. This is the distance, right? So this
Yes.
is x2, this is y2, this is x1, this is y1, right? So
Yes.
this from distance formula we know that You know that distance between 2 points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square, right? So x2 is 6 or x1 is 3. So root of 6 minus 3 square and plus y2, which is 7 minus 4 square. So this is how much? 3 square plus 3 square, which means 3 root, right? This is AB. And what about BC? So this was your homework, guys. Again, what is x2? What is x1? Amar?
Um, so, BC1 X2.
So the,
Uh,
yeah,
yeah. Then 9 9
yes.
minus 7
9
whole
minus 6,
square.
6, 6.
9 minus 6 whole.
And
9 minus 6 whole square.
yes, correct, absolutely.
And 4 minus 7 whole square.
Yes, good, good. So 4 minus. So this would be again 3 square plus 3 square. This would be actually minus 3 square, but that is also positive. So again, 3. So this is BC. And what about CD? Yeah. Oh, there's a chat. So 9. Yes, Rizwan, how did you get 9? Which 9? Yeah. AB, can we write AB as root 18? So we can write root 18, right? We can write AB as root 18. Yes, root 18. We can write that. Root 18. Yes, this one. Okay, so Amar, uh,
Is
tell me what is the CD?
BD.
CD.
CD. Um, 6 minus 9 and 1 minus 4.
Yes, correct. So this is again 3 square plus d square, which is 3. So this is a CD and last one is 80. Right, so 80 would be how much? Again, let me write. So 6 minus 3 square plus 1 minus. So this would be again 3 square plus 3 square, which is 3. Right. So we can say that the sides are equal. Right. This is 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2, and 3. So the sides are equal. So this is
It
either,
should be a square.
yeah,
It should be a square then.
no. So the side is only root, right? 80. We're not talking about 80 square. We're talking about the sides, distance, right? Why there would be a square, Amar?
Huh? Because if all this so on one, the
Yeah,
distance between
yeah. So
each one is like length. So
yeah. You are saying the square quadrilateral. Yeah, I thought that you were saying the square of this one. Yes, yeah,
uh,
yeah. So yeah, the sides of two triangles are same, right? Quadrilaterals are same. One is the square, and the other one is the rhombus, right?
yes.
So we have proven that all the sides are equal. Now we have to also prove that one angle is 90 degrees because rhombus angle is not equal to 90 degrees, right?
So what was the Roman again? I forgot what it looked.
Yeah, so rhombus was like this. Rhombus was equal, but this angle was not 90. This was the rhombus. Remember?
Okay.
So, yeah, so now we have to prove that this angle is 90 degree. So how can we prove that? Let me draw this line so that you guys can understand.
Diagonal.
So for the if this is 90 degree, then this would be hypotenuse, this would be perpendicular, and this would be base. If this is 90 degree, right? Is that clear?
Yes.
So to prove that it is 90 degree, we have to prove that AC square. Second condition is that AC square is AD square plus DC square. Is this clear to you? Yes, clear.
Yes.
So let us find out AC first. AD and DC we know. Let us find out AC first. So AC is how much? This is 9 minus 3. Okay, Talha is joining now. Okay, so AC is this one. See, 9 minus 3 square and plus this is how much? 4 minus this is 4. So 4 minus 4 0 square.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. So you were late. What happened? Yes.
Sir, I was out.
Oh, no. Who? Yeah. Who bowled you out? Or so why? Who
No,
got you
sir,
out? Who got
no,
you
I
out?
went to take some groceries. So
Oh, I thought you were playing cricket and then you got out.
no,
Okay, so you are team Oppenheimer or team Barbie? Yes.
huh? Sorry, sir.
You are team Oppenheimer or team Barbie?
R
Yeah. Your voice is breaking, sir.
RPM.
Barbie.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So Rizwan is also team Barbie, and you are also team Barbie. And uh, Amar don't watch. So Amar is not interested in watching movie. So and I am team both. So yeah. Okay. So AC is this, right? AC is root 36. Okay. Now we have to prove that AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. So AC square would be how much? This would be root 36 square, which would be 36. So this is AC square. Now let us find out what is AD square. So AD was root 18, right? AD was root 18. So AD square is root 18 square and DC square is also root 18 square. So we can see that AD square plus DC square is 18 plus 18, which is 36, which is AC square. Right? So from here we can say that this is a right angle triangle, which means that, right, which means that ADC is a right angle triangle, which means that angle D is so this was the whole idea. One was that we had to prove that all sides are equal, right? All sides are equal. This was the question that we were doing, Salah, right? In the previous class, we were doing this question. So you remember that?
Previous class? No, I was not there.
You were not there. Oh, so were you there in the distance formula part?
Sir, I only attended on Sunday. After that, no.
Okay, Baba. So you missed some class. Okay, so let's see. Let me explain this to you. That whenever we have two coordinate points, right? So whenever we have a two coordinate point, what should I do? So let me, okay, so Amar and Rizwan, please bear with me, right? Let me take 5 minutes of your guide and let me just discuss what we did. So, Talha, you already know that how do we define the location in a plane? So we divide it in x and y axis, right?
Right.
And then we assign some coordinate points. So first is called the abscissa, and the next is called the ordinate, right? So let's say that I have moved 2 points in this way here and then three here. So this would be what point? This would be 2, 3, right? So let's say that I have 2 points. Okay. Let's say that I have 2 points. This one is x1, y1, and this one is x2, y2, right? So there is a distance formula with which we can calculate the distance between these 2 points, right? And let's say this is P point and this is Q point. So we can calculate the distance between PQ using the distance formula, which is like this, which is the subtraction of the x coordinate and square and subtraction of y coordinate and square. So this is called the distance formula, right? So do you understand the distance formula? Yeah. Is this?
Yes.
Yeah. So whenever we have two coordinate points, then we can calculate the distance. Let's say that I have this point 4 comma 0 and I have this point let's say 0 comma 3, right? And I want to calculate the distance from this point to this point. So x1, x2 is how much? This is x2 and this is y2 and this is x1 and y1. So if I want to calculate, let's say this PQ, so this PQ would be root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what should be here, Tala? X2 is how much?
4.
4 minus x1 is how much?
4 minus 0.
0 square. And then y2 is how much?
2. No,
Y2.
sorry, 0, 0, 0.
0 and minus of y1?
Y1. Y1 is 3.
3. Yes. So then this would be 4 square plus 3 square. So this would be 16 plus 9. So this would be 5. So this would be the distance between these 2 points. Is that clear to you?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this was about the distance formula. Now let us come back to this question. So you just
That's it.
take, yeah, that's it. So this is
Okay.
only, yeah. So that's it for this exercise, right? We only need to know
So
about,
then,
yes,
so
Good
when you are
evening, sir.
yeah. There were two voices, Rizwan and Amar. So
yeah,
okay, Amar, you, yeah,
yeah. So you said Swan, when you are finding the in the fifth question, can you go
yeah,
back to the fifth question?
yeah. Can I go back to the question?
Sir, is
Yeah.
my
Yeah,
voice lagging, sir?
No, no, your voice is not lagging.
Okay.
yeah. So you say you use the hypertext to find if this one was a square or not, right? So
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
like, can you show that part again?
can I show the which part?
Like how you prove this one if this was 90 degrees or not?
Yeah. So for the 90-degree, we know the Pythagoras theorem. So for Pythagoras theorem is applicable only for the right angle triangle, right?
Yes.
So if we prove that, if we prove that the perpendicular square plus base square is hypotenuse square, so then we prove that the triangle is right angle triangle, right?
Yes.
So ADC is right angle triangle, which means that D is what? 90 degrees.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, this was the right. So we needed to prove that this is ABCD is a square. We needed to prove that all sides are equal and one of angle is 90 degree. If one of angle is 90 degree, then all angles are 90. Right. Okay, so yeah, then we were doing this fifth question, Tala. Right. In the fifth question, it was given that A, B, C, D coordinates were given. Right. So in the fifth question, A, B, C, D, all the coordinates are given. And Champa is saying that it is a square. And Chameli is saying that it is not a square. Right. So we have to find out that which one of them is correct. So to prove that this is a square, we need to find out the sides first. AB, right? AB distance, BC distance, CD distance, and AD. And we can calculate the distance using the distance formula, right, Tala?
Right.
So we already have these coordinate points, and then we applied the distance formula in all these sides, and then we calculated the distance. So we found out that AB distance is 3 root 2, BC is 3 root 2, CD is 3 root 2, and AD. So we can see that all sides are equal. Right. So for which quadrilateral all sides are equal? Yes. For which side? Square and rhombus, right? Square and rhombus has equal sides. So now to prove that it is a square, we have to prove that one angle is 90, right? So to do that, what I did was that I calculated AC, which is the hypotenuse, and then I calculated, so we already knew that what is AD, which is perpendicular, and CD, which is base, right? So we can also, right? So yeah, yeah. So this is base, and this is perpendicular. We can also say this as perpendicular, and this is the base. No wrong in that. So yeah. So what we did there was that we proved that AD square plus DC square is AC square. So if I prove that, which means that this triangle is a right angle triangle, and then this angle is 90. So we prove that all sides are equal, and we also prove that this angle is 90. So this was the fifth question. So any doubt, Talha? Do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, so please note down this problem, guys.
No.
And yeah, please note down this problem. And then, okay, so the next one would be Rizwan. So can you speak, Rizwan? Are you in
Yes,
that
sir.
state? Oh, so now you can. Okay. What happened? You traveled and you went.
Yeah,
Yeah.
people were there. Now I'm alone.
Oh, you are. Oh, you reached where you wanted to go.
What, sir?
Yeah, you reached where you wanted to go. So you reached at your family house. Or you
Yes,
are still
yes.
traveling? Oh, you have reached. Okay.
Yeah, house.
Yeah, so the next is your turn, Rizwan, right? Rizwan and then Talha and then Aman. We have three
Yes.
questions and let us quickly finish this. Then,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, so let us quickly finish this and Shweb has not come and Shaima has also. And there were more people. What's the other guy? Adil, Adil is not coming and Ahmad is not coming. So what? I don't know how.
I forgot about him.
So how will I be able to just cover up what is missed? So,
Yes, sir.
so you guys please be regular. Talha just skip two
Yes,
classes.
sir. Madam.
Yeah,
We
Talha.
done.
Okay, so whenever you guys need me to scroll down, that's you guys do.
Sir, done, sir.
Done.
Yeah.
This part done. Whenever you guys have noted it down, please,
Sir, can you scroll a little bit down? Okay, thank you, sir. Don't, don't, sir.
okay, Tala and Amar, done.
Yes.
Yes, Tala sir,
Yes.
done.
Yes.
And yeah, so Rizwan, have you? Yeah, so in there, do you have the Wi-Fi?
What's
Yes.
it?
Wi-Fi. So do you have a Wi-Fi network over there? Where are you living?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Then you are following Bleach and other things. Are you following those?
What's that?
Bleach,
Beach?
Bleach. 1,000-year blood war art. What has happened to Bleach?
Sir,
You
sir,
don't
I
watch.
can't hear you properly.
You don't watch Bleach.
Oh, Bleach. Anime.
Yeah. So what will I ask?
Oh, that's
Uh, okay, and what is the other currently? Yeah, Jujutsu Kaisen is right.
yeah. 3 episodes came. I saw, sir.
Yeah, 3 episodes of Bleach, 3 episodes of Jujutsu Kaisen, and then we have also yeah, one is also about an undead women. That is also, and then we have One Piece. Okay, the sixth question. So this is your question. Right. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answer. So we have -1, -1. So let's say that yeah, let's say we have.
Sir, you're a little bit stucking, sir.
I am lagging.
Yes, sir. I guess my network issue, sir.
Okay, maybe yeah. So this is happening with you also, Amar and Tala.
No, sir.
Am I okay? So I'm not lagging to Tala and Amar. You, Rizwan, you check your Wi-Fi. Okay, so we have
Yes, sir. Nah,
my
network, sir. No, sir.
yeah. So we have -1, -2, right? And can I write -1, -2, -3, 1? Okay, so what should I do is that let me write it there. So you guys just remember that this is plus plus, this is minus plus, this is minus minus, and this is what? This is plus minus. So these are the sign convention, right? So this is xy, this is xy, this is xy, and this is xy. So we have a -1, -2, right? So this will lie in the what? This third quadrant. So -1, -2.
Third one, sir. Yes.
And then we have -1 and 2. So -1 and 2 would lie in this one, right? -1
Yes.
and 2, and then 1 0. So 1 is
That will be-
yeah. So 1 is
Oh
let's
no, in y
yeah,
axis, x axis.
yeah, x-axis 1 0 is 1 0 is here, right? So let's see, this is -1. So
1 0 is positive. Both are positive. So
yeah, so let's say here. Okay, and then we have -3 0, right? So is this diagram clear to you guys?
yes.
Okay, so
Oh, okay.
this one, this one, this one. So this one, this one, and this one. Yes, these are not. Let's say that this one, this one, this one. Okay, so they are in order. So no need to think about the sign convention, right? I was
Okay,
thinking
yes.
that I was thinking that they are not in the order, then you would have some problem. But they are in order. You see that this is A point, the next one is this B point, and the next one is this C, and the next one is D. So they are in order, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can write it in this way. So no need to think about this sign. So we have let's say A, A which is -1, -2, B which is 1 0, C which is -1 2, and D which is -2. Okay, these are the coordinate of the points. Understood. Now we have to prove that name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give them. So how many quadrilaterals do we have? We have one is the scalene quadrilateral, right? And the other one is this, let's say the other one is this parallelogram. And then we have this rectangle. And then we have this square. And then we have rhombus.
So what was the scalon quadrilateral?
Scalar quadrilateral means that all sides are not equal. All the sides are different, right?
Oh,
So a
not
scalene,
equal.
yeah. And then we have rhombus,
Okay, sir.
and then we have trapezium, right? So all these kind of what. And then the seventh one is this kite, right? So we have these kind of quadrilaterals, right? So let us see that which kind of
Mm,
quadrilateral is this. So let us find out. So first we have to find out the sites. So this was the Rizwan's turn. So Rizwan, just tell me that
mm,
what are the sites. Just quickly calculate and tell me about these sites.
okay. Mm,
What happened? Yeah. So
sorry.
yeah. So did you drink the cold water?
Mm, that knows everything.
Okay. So are you well?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. Okay. We have. I I want to finish this chapter. Quickly tell me.
Yes, sir. Mm, uh, So root 10.
Root 10. So this is what? 1 plus 1 square, and this is 0 plus 2 square. So
What?
this is, yeah,
0 plus 2. Oh.
yeah. What happened? This is root 8.
What? Mistake.
Acha, so minus 1 square, and then 2 minus 2 square. So this is again 4 plus 4, which is root 8, and then CD is out. So CD is of minus 3 and plus 1 square, and
Sir, I have a question. In AB,
yeah, in
so in
AB,
AB, it's supposed to be one plus minus one, right?
yeah. So AB 1 minus of minus 1, right? So x2 minus of x1, and x1 is minus, right? Is that clear to you, Amar?
Yes.
So 1 minus minus plus, so 1 plus. Okay, and so this is again 2 square, right? So 4 plus 4, which is
8.
8, and again this one. So
So minus 2 plus 0 square plus minus 3. Uh,
yeah, so yes,
plus,
again, right?
2. Yes, sir. 4, 8. Sir.
So
Again,
so we can, yeah, so we can see that this is uh, a square or a rhombus, right?
it's a square.
No, no. How did you say that this is a square? We have to first check whether what is AC.
Oh, if it's 90 degrees.
So AC is minus 1 and plus 1, and this is what? And this is 2 plus 2. So minus 1, 0. So 0 plus 4, 60. So this is 60, 4.
16.
Right, this is 4. Now AC square is what? 16, which is equal to A D square plus BC square. Root 8 square and root 8 square. So this is
Yeah,
also,
I can't see that.
yeah.
Uh,
Yes, what did you say?
so
Yes,
can you? I can't say properly. Sir.
yeah, what did you say, Rizwan?
Oh no, nothing.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
yeah. So we can see that the sides are equal, right? And the angle is how much? Angle is 90. So
90
ABCD is a
degrees.
square. Yeah, ABCD is a square. Right. So
Mm,
yes, any doubt?
no, sir.
This was the same question as the previous one. So Amar and Tala, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. So please note it down, and then Talha will take. So I will skip the second and the third question. They are similar. So you guys
Yes.
just yeah, they are similar. So you guys just try this in your home, and then if you face any problems, so just yeah, you guys quickly note it down, and then Talha will help us solving the seventh question.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, where do you live, sir?
I live in Delhi.
Uh,
Yeah. So,
okay. Good.
so are you in Delhi, Rizwan?
No, sir. I'm in Assam, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. You are in Assam. I thought that your relatives are in Delhi, so that's why you asked me.
No, no, sir. Everyone is in
Yeah.
Assam.
So you guys quickly note it down and just try second and third part of this question. And
Yes, sir.
please, for your practice purpose, because in this chapter, you need practice. So there are so many minus, plus, and sign conventions. So those can be tricky. So you guys please practice this
Yes.
question.
Done.
Done. Amar and Rizwan, done.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, Rizwan, did you say yes?
No, no. I said
Oh,
no.
oh, yes. Yes, no, yes. Yes, Stella, are you watching something or playing games?
Those. I'm just playing.
Playing games. But the weather is too hot, so we cannot play outdoor games right now, right?
But now I'm
Hmm.
being forced. My mom is
Oh,
like, "What are you doing in front of the screen? Go out and play." That's it.
but vacation are for the enjoyment, right? So,
Yeah. She's saying, if you want to play, go out and play.
mm, yeah. Rizwan, noted.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, Amar, what about you?
Yes, yeah.
What do you do in your pastime? So for your pastime, what do you do? Because Rizwan play anime, Rizwan watch animes, Salah play outdoor games because he is forced to. He was watching animes then, but he was forced to play outdoor games. And what about you, Amar? Because I also watch animes in my free time.
So I just read books. That's it. Or
Oh, you read.
or
Yeah, you
just
have
watch gaming videos.
gaming videos. What kind of games? If you could tell.
Minecraft, then Call of Duty. Uh,
Minecraft.
like I can't go outside because it's too hot. So
Yeah, yeah, the weather is worse. But Tala has to go out. Okay. Yeah, okay. So Tala, this is your question, right? Find the
Right.
point on the x-axis, which is the equidistance from this point and this point, right? So let's say that you have 2 comma minus 5, right? So you have this x-axis, right? And 2 comma minus 5 is, let's say, in here. So this is 2 comma minus 5 and then minus 2, 9. So you have this point. Let's say this is point O, right? And this is a point. So this is point. Let's say B, and this is point Q, right? So can you read the question and tell me that what they are asking? So for the simplicity, let me erase this line also. Yes. So
Find the point on the x-axis, which is what equidistant from
you're
2 minus.
Rizwan, you're joining from the two devices. Yeah. So understood the question, sir.
mm,
Find the find the point on the x-axis. So the point is lying in where?
okay,
Lying on where?
x-axis.
x-axis, right? So the point is lying on the x-axis. So what could be the coordinate of those points? What could be the coordinate of those points? So let's say that the point is lying on the x-axis. So what can you say about the coordinate of the x-axis? On the x-axis, which part is always same?
On the x-axis.
Okay, so let
So
me.
to find this answer, should we draw this thing? What?
Yes.
Should we draw the graph?
No. We don't need to draw the graph. We don't need to draw. I'm just yeah. So you guys think that if this is the x-axis, so let's say this is 3, and what is the y-axis, y-coordinate on this part? If I want to represent this point, so what are the coordinates? This would be 3, and the y-coordinate would be how much?
Minus.
This is on the y-axis. This is on the x-axis. So how much I have moved in upward or downward? How much I have moved? Let's say that on this point also, this is -2, and what is y-coordinate in here also? 0. And let's say this is 5, and what is the y-coordinate?
0.
0. So you see that on the x-axis, y-coordinate is 0. Right? Only the x is varying. Right? Only x is varying. The y-coordinate is always the same. Is that clear? Is that clear to you guys?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so in the question, they are asking that find the point on the x-axis. So what do we know about the y-axis? Let's say this is the point. So what do we know about the y-axis of this point? Yeah. What do we know about the y-axis of this point? This is on the x-axis. So what is the y-coordinate of this point? We just 0. Y-coordinate is 0, right? And we don't know the x-coordinate. So let's say it as x. So the point is x comma 0.
So like I don't understand what the question is here.
Yeah, so let's say that this is f1. Yeah, so the question is that find the point on the x-axis. So there is a point on the x-axis, right? Let's say m, and this is equidistant. So this is equidistance from this point, and this is equidistance from this point. So whatever is this distance, this is equal to this distance. So did you guys understand this question?
Yes.
So PM is equal to how much, Talha?
PM Q.
Yeah, QM. Right. The question was that find the point on the x-axis. So we can represent the x-axis like this. And this point is equidistant. Equidistant meaning that this point is have the same distance with this point, and this point has the same distance with this point. Right. So this distance and this distance is equal.
So
So
can
is
we
there?
find this answer graphically?
Yeah. Can I draw this graphically?
No, sir. I mean, like, can we find the answer by drawing graphically also?
That would be difficult to calculate, right? That would be time consuming. So yeah. Okay. So let's see what is the
We are allowed
answer.
to, but sir, but we are allowed to do that, right?
Yeah. So we are using the distance formula, right? So we are understanding about the coordinate geometry. So we have to use the distance formula, right?
Okay.
So yeah. So we have to because this question is about distance formula. So we have to use the distance formula to show that what are the coordinates. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So PM, what is PM, Talha? What
What
is
is
PM?
P?
Yeah. What is PM distance? This is your x2, y2. This is x1, y1. So what is PM?
Equal under root x2. Okay. So what is x2?
X2 is this, right? So whatever PM, P is x1, y1, M is x2, y2.
So,
Yes.
so is it like x minus x plus 2 was x minus?
X minus
X.
of minus 2, right?
Yeah. Plus
And then
plus 0 minus minus 5.
so this is PM, and what is QM, Salah?
QM.
Yes.
A x minus minus square
X minus 2
minus minus.
whole square.
And then 0 minus of minus 5. So this is how much? This is x plus 2 whole square, and this is 9 square, and this is x minus 2 whole square, and this is 5 square. So this would be x plus 2 whole square, and we can take the square on both the sides, right? So we can take the square on both the sides, so this would be simply, or let me write it here. So squaring on both the sides. So this would be x plus 2 whole square plus 81, and x minus 2 whole square plus 25. So this is x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81 is equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25. Right, guys? So x square cancels, and this is 4x and this is minus 4x. So this will become how much? 4x minus 4x, so 4 plus 4x, 8x, and this is plus 85 equal to this is 29. So 8x is 29 minus 85. So 8x is 6, and this is how much? So 7 minus, so minus 56. So this is minus 7. So x is equal to minus 7. Right. So the point would be minus 7, comma 0. So from minus 7, comma 0, this would be equidistant. Is that clear to you guys?
Yes.
Okay, so please note it down, and yeah, we wanted to complete this chapter, but three questions are there. So what I will do is that, okay, so yeah, no, so let's,
Will you give us homework?
yeah, the homework is the, you guys are not sending me the homework, but yeah, you guys will get some. That is solely for your, yeah, that is solely for your practice purpose, guys. So in exam, yeah, practice is very crucial. So please try all this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so in
Done,
the
sir, done.
done, and in the exam, so are you guys solving those questions on your own, or you guys are looking somewhere? So please,
Based on the
uh,
questions.
yeah,
Sir,
do you,
second, sir.
yes,
Sir, can you repeat?
yeah, yes. So I'm asking that in your exam, the fortnightly test or all those tests. So are you guys doing the question on your own, or you guys are looking here and there?
Oh, you're talking about the tuition test. I thought you were talking about exam. School exam.
Yeah,
During
not
school,
not.
sir, based on the
Sir,
question, I ask my classmates.
No.
Sometimes it's like that. In
Yeah,
this,
so
no.
yeah, please do all the question on. Okay, in detail. So in the
Sometimes just
fortnightly,
the formula.
sir.
yeah. So who joined it? Yes, hello Tejasvi, hello,
Evening, sir.
hello Faz and Diaz. Who is Diaz?
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, hello Rizwan, hello I.
That's also,
Okay, so did you guys note it down?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay, bye guys. So see you tomorrow and yeah, and then we'll complete this chapter. Not this chapter, but this exercise. Okay. Bye, bye
Okay.
Tala, bye Rizwan, and bye Amar. Bye guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Yes, hello, Abhi.